Jain Principal Ma'am, Jain all respected teachers. My name is Sakshi. I am in 8th class. My school name is Smallwood Junior High School. This is my English holiday homework on Environment Day. Now I'll show you my presentation on Environment Day. Environment plays an important role in our life. Environment includes both living and non-living things. Earth is a home of a different living species and we all are dependent on the environment for food, air, water and other needs. We can grow plants in our home. It's very useful for us. How can we save our environment? So, we can together do so by reducing the plastic usage, saving electricity, using solar power and planting more trees in our surrounding. Doing this will not only save our environment but also improve the quality of life for both animal and plant species and save them from going extinct. Thank you for watching my presentation.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Kanika Singh. I am from class 6. My topic name is environment. Save trees, relax free. If you can waste the water, it means you can waste a life. Do not waste electricity. You will release it. Recycle plastic. Free. You will feel fantastic. Thank you.
Ma'am and sir, I am Adhira Dhiman from class 7. Today's topic is how to contribute our environment clean. So first is use public transport and don't waste electricity to reduce global warming. You should switch off lights and fan when it is no use. Make sure you use a recycled product so that no unnecessary waste is produced. Avoid plastic bags and use reusable bags. And the most important thing is that plants and trees as possible as. Controlling the use of plastic bags will also help us to keep our surrounding clean. One should use recycled and eco-friendly products such as paper or jute bags instead of plastic bags. Throwing off plastic bags by the roadside only makes our surrounding dirty and unhygienic. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shaurya Verma. I study in 6th class. I speak in topic how to protect our environment. We can protect our environment by following ways. First, save water. Second, save electricity. Third, using reusable bags. Avoid taking car as much as possible. Fifth, growing more tree and plant. Sixth, reducing pollution. Seventh, save natural resources. Thank you, ma'am.
Jai Hind. My name is Pranjal Sharma. The topic is that how we can contribute to make our country clean. Cleanliness is very important for us in our home, in our workplace, and in many other places. Cleanliness is always important, and remember, the dirty places are the home of many germs and bacteria. Do we keep clean our home? Yes, we daily clean our home. What about our country? What about our India? We should keep clean our country also. It is also our home. Instead of cleaning, many people make more dirtier public places. But many people want to see their country clean. How we can contribute to make our country clean? We can contribute to make our country clean by not urinating in open, in drains that are on roads, And we can also contribute by not throwing garbage in public places, on roads, etc. We can contribute by not splitting on roads, in public places and many other places. So, if we have to see our country clean, we should not urinate in open, we should not throw garbage in public places, and we should not split on roads. Thank you.
Jai Hind, all my respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Zara. I am in class 8. This is my English holiday homework about World Environment Day. We all live in the house of the earth, whose roof is environment. We should take care of these two because our life will be healthy and safe only when the earth will be green and the environment will be clean. The same earth, the same environment, and the life are the same. So do not waste it, live it. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arav Sethi from class 6. Today's our topic is how to save our environment. Environment is made up of our surrounding. Our environment consists of natural resources like water, soil and air. To make our environment clean and beautiful, we should adopt a healthy lifestyle. We can save natural resources like water and by saving electricity. Recycle, reuse and reduce are the principles to save our environment. There should be ban on letting industrial waste water into the ocean. Saving environment means cutting of trees should be stopped. We should plant more trees to make our environment green, clean and beautiful. Plastic is the main source of destroying our environment and we should ban plastic. Saving environment is the responsibility of each person on this earth. Thank you.
Dear Principal Ma'am and my dear teachers, I am Shelly Yadav. Today I am going to tell you how can we clean our environment. There are so many ways to clean our environment. Number one way is that save trees. Don't cut the trees for your benefit. Number two, save water. Number third, save electricity. Number fifth, using reusable bags. Don't use plastic bags. Always use paper bags and jute bags. Number fourth, make your environment clean. We can make our environment clean by cleaning our environment and don't throw your dust over here and there. They are the ways in which we can make our environment clean. So thank you, and this is my video. I hope you like this video.
My name is Tanish Kamra. I am the student of class 7. Today I am explain 7 steps how to clean our environment. Step 1. Bring a bag. Remember to bring reusable bag to the grocery store or for any other shopping activity to reduce consumptions of disposable bags. Step 2. Bring your own reusable cups. Think about how many disposable cups are used every day in just your local coffee shop. Bring a mug for your morning coffee. Can reduce the amount of waste your produce annually. Images how much waste we can reduce if we all made these simple daily changes. Step 3. Invest in a reusable water bottle. Acquiring a reusable water bottle would not only greatly reduce the amount of single-use plastic you use, but it would also save you money in the long run. If you are concerned about the quality of your tap water, consider using a water filter. Step 4. Refuse single-use items. Take note on how often you really on single-use items and choose the replace them with more suitable various refusing plastic straw and disposable card when you go out and bring your own container for leftover are a few way you can start today. Step 5. Avoid products with microbeads like facial scrub and beauty products contain plastic microbeads were banned in the United States in 2015 but would be fully phases out unit 2019. Ready the labels when purchasing product and opt for ones that contains naturally scrubbing ingredient like salt or sugar. Step 6. Shop in bulk. Consider the product to packaging radiation when purchasing items and choose larger containers inside instead of multiple smaller ones when you have the option. Also considered purchasing packaging free food and householding goods. Step 7. Step 7. Make sure your waste goes to the right place. Do your best to ensure that the waste you dispose of and when where it should recycle the material that are recyclable in your area and make sure to reduce the likelihood of your garbage ending up in the environment by keeping a lid on your trash can when it's outside. Thank you for watching video.
My name is Tuti Sharma. I read in 6th class. My school name is Smallwell Junior High School. I will explain you how can we protect our environment.
Jai Hind ma'am, I can explain you how can we protect our environment. Save electricity. Switch off the light and electric appliance. In India, electricity is generated the thermal plant using coal. One can save money just by saving electricity. Use of energy rating label device. The house should be designed so that they can use natural light. Save water. Water is the other word for life. Water is used for all daily routine tasks. We use water to drink, to cook food, to wash our clothes. We also use water to take baths, to clean our home, etc. Water is the basic need of our life. Without water, therefore, is no life. We all need to save water. We should not waste water in any form. Water is essential for every living thing on earth. We have limited resource of water. It should be used wisely. Avoid taking cars as much as possible. Using reusable bags. Reducing pollution, saving natural resources, growing more trees.
And myself, Vanshika Saraswat, from class 6th. How can we protect the environment? We can protect the environment by recycle and reuse waste things, by conserving water from wastage through turning off the tap after use, by planting more and more trees because it can provide us food and oxygen, by using non-toxic chemical because toxic chemical harms water, useless transport, it helps to clean our environment, reduce air pollution, useless plastic and implement some laws on use of it, promote use of renewable resource like wind energy and solar energy. All of us should not throw garbage in place. We should not burn plastic. We should use less work. We should use new machines instead of the old machine. Thank you.
Jai Hind, ma'am and sir. My name is Sarang Sharma and I read in 7th class, and today I will explain you how can we contribute our country clean and beautiful. Jai Hind, ma'am. Today I will explain you how can contribute our country in 10 ways. Number 1. Save electricity. Conserve energy and save electricity. Number 2. Save water. Water is our life, and so please save water. Number 3. Use eco-friendly product like eco bag and other eco product, and use filter water and drink filter water. And if your pile has offensive door, it usually has unfixed and compost pile. And grow food locally. Don't grow food with the help of chemical and pesticide. Grow food locally and farm locally. Reduce, reuse, recycle the things, and keep cleaning in any place in your house. In any places, keep cleaning, and eat only homemade dessert. Don't eat the outdoor dessert. And say no to plastic bag. Don't use plastic bag. Use only cloth bags that recycle. Thank you for watching the video.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ayushi Kashyap. I study in 8th class from Small World Junior High School. This is my holiday homework for English. Environment is the belief that someone safe it. And on the occasion World Environment Day, so let's start. As well know, plants are important for humans and living organisms. We should grow plants every year. Environment Day celebrate 5th June every year. Thank you.
Jai Hind, ma'am. My name is Kavil. I am from class 6th. Today I am presenting environment. Environment is a surrounding where we live. A clean environment is necessary for living. Our environment is getting dirty day by day. It is our responsibility to keep our environment clean. Environment keeps atmosphere clean. We should plant more trees for a healthy environment.
Jai Hind, Principal Ma'am and all respected teachers. My name is Sasham and I study in 7th class. Today I will explain how to clean our environment. How to keep the environment clean. There are 7 steps. Number 1. Reduce the usage of our electric appliances. Number 2. Drive your car less. Number 3. Maintain the healthy ecosystem. Number 4. Recycle the waste products. Number 4. Grow your feed locally. Number 5. Bring your own reusable cup. Number 6. Reduce the usage of plastic bottles or other plastic items.
Jai Hind, ma'am and sir. Today I will tell you some points about how can we contribute to make our country clean and beautiful. First, save electricity. Second,
Second, save water. Third, reduce your carbon footprint. Fourth, say no to plastic and always use the poly bags and cotton and clothes bag. Fifth, instant, always use your own usable plastic bottle.
Ma'am and teachers, I am Emma from class 8 in Small World Junior High School. So this is my holiday homework on Environment Day. Environment plays an important role in healthy living and extents of life planet on Earth. Earth is a home for different living species and we all are dependent on the environment for food, air, water and other needs. Therefore, it is important for every individual to save and protect our environment. All the living and non-living things are dependent on environment. Thank you.
Dear students, my name is Afifa and slogans on Clean India. Cleanliness is a good habit that we need to follow. Be aware, stop littering anywhere and everywhere. Clean and be healthy, then become wealthy. Time to make a plea to make India defection free. We can make our country beautiful by being in the Clean India mission. We can achieve something fruitful. Please participate in the Clean India mission and make India clean again to bring new Whether the sun shines or a storm comes or it rains, cleaning India should be our only aim. Please clean your houses, roads, schools, buildings and streets. Cleanliness is our primary need. Work on cleaning from our side and make India feel the pride. Thank you.